this video, I am going to explain you how to prepare an estimate using Jalli's app. Let us start. Click on Estimate, select Create or Open, and this is the window for adding your estimate particulars. Enter estimate code first, like EC06_2026. There is no hard and fast rules for this estimate code, except it should start with an alphabet and can be up to 12 characters long, and it should not contain any special characters. That's it. Press tab. Since this is a new estimate, it is asking whether to create new one. Yes. Enter place of work. Select a department other than BSNL. Enter full name of work. Construction of compound wall for CGHS dispensary at Hyderabad. Full name of work can be any length. There is no restriction. You can type whatever you want. Press tab and enter your cost index. Then tab, select your DSR, then tab contingencies, then tab GST, then tab labor cess. Then press tab to move on to short name of work. Short name of work can be up to 90 characters maximum. While you typing, it will display at the end if you exceed 50 characters. So now the length of the name of work, short name of work is 63. So it is saved. You can just save. Add edit items for DE. This is the window where you have to actually enter the items. First item, earthwork excavation. The code is 2.8.1. Press enter. Actually, we can enter the quantity here itself. For this item, I want to add details of measurements. So, click on details of measurements. Enter item code 2.8.1. The short description of the item is displayed here, and you can enter the details here. East and west sides, two numbers, 1 into 2, length 65 meters, breadth 0.75 meters, depth 0.90 meters. Next line, north and south sides, 1 into 2, 52 meters, 0.75 and 0.9. This item is over. Our next item is PCC, that is 4.1.8. 4.1.8. Press enter. For this item, I do not enter any details. Simply I copy from the previous item, that is earthwork. Copy from other item. Yes, this item. Copy. So the details of measurements are copied from earthwork. Since the measurements are same for both items except thickness. Thickness I will change 0.15, 0.15. Press enter. For these two items, I entered details of measurements. if I enter details of measurements for all the items, the length of the video will be too long. So for the rest of the items, I will enter quantities directly without adding details of measurements. But you can add details of measurements for your estimates, no problem. Closing this window, transfer quantities to D. Okay. And I will enter the rest of the items directly using item code. Filling available excavated earth 2.25. Press enter. Enter the quantity, say some 35 cubic meters. Once you press enter, the amount is calculated and displayed here. The rate is already there, you cannot edit because it is a TSR item. Just click on OK to accept. This item is taken into the estimate. Next item is coping. CC coping, for which I don't know the code. Then I will search CC coping. There is no CC coping. CC I will remove. Coping, bed blocks. Yes, this is the item. This one, CC coping, bed blocks, anchor blocks, plain window cells. For this I will enter the quantity in the grid itself, 2.5. Next item, RCC columns, 5.1.2. RCC footings for gate pillars. Okay. After the item code, I will put a slash. Then I will enter the quantity, say 3 cubic meters. Press enter. Once you press enter, the quantity part will be automatically shifted to quantity field. Just waiting to accept. Next item, brickwork. Brickwork, I am searching. Brickwork in foundation. See, I am not typing fully. 4 characters only I am typing. Foundation of using 7.5 class bricks. So you can search here. This is the item. Say 35 cubic meter. I will remove foundation and edit to superstructure, super. And this is the item. This one. Quantity is 45 cubic meters. Similarly, you can add other items also. I will add RR masonry. Its code is 7.1.1. I am putting a slash at the end and enter the quantity 38. Then putting one more slash after 38. Press enter. It is not displayed anywhere. Simply it is taken into the estimate. This is the item RR masonry. Like this you have to enter all the items. Now close it. End data entry. See the printout. Go to print menu. Create detailed estimate in MS Excel. There are 3 proformas: simple, detailed landscape, detailed portrait. Simple means all the items are taken into one single subhead. There won't be any subhead names. Whereas in detailed landscape or detailed portrait, items are grouped into subheads. For major works we will do detailed. For subdivision level works, small works we will do simple. So I am selecting detailed portrait. Click on create Excel file. Now our estimate is almost ready. Yes, it is ready. The flashing icon of Excel is our estimate. Abstract of cost. See, this is grouped: earthwork separately, concrete, RCC, masonry, stonework. The correction factors applied here as per CPWD orders, and the costing difference is added. See the schedule. If you observe, there is a formula everywhere. Here it is a formula, here it is a formula, here it is a formula, and here it is a formula, here also formula. Everywhere formulas are inbuilt, so that if you modify something in the DOM file also, for example, these are the two items for which we have added the details of measurements. For example, now this is 158 and this is 27. If you change this to 75, this will become 172, this will become 29. So these quantities will be carry forwarded. See, 172 and PCC 29. So everywhere, since everywhere formulas are there, one change will affect all the other files. If you want to change anything, means at one place you can change, so remaining changes will be automatically done. This way we prepared detailed estimates using our Jalli's app. Thanks for watching.